The night he died, rain fell like tears from the sky. People ran from the road when they saw his body near the old shrine. Some whispered, he was one. Others said, greed killed him. But this is how his story truly began. His name was Emeka. Emeka was a simple young man from a small town in Nigeria. He had nothing, no rich parents, no big job, no fine clothes. He lived in a small room with a leaky roof and a weak fan. Every morning, he woke early and went to look for work. Some days he found work, many days he did not. People laughed at him. Some called him nobody. Some said he would never become anything in life. There was a fine lady in the town named Ifunaya. She was beautiful and always well dressed. Emeka loved her from his heart. But Ifunaya would not look at him. One day she told him, Emeka, love does not feed a man. You're too poor for me. Those words broke his heart. One evening, as Emeka walked home with empty pockets, he met an old friend from school. His name was Kelechi. But this was not the Kelechi he knew. Kelechi came down from a big car, gold chain on his neck, latest phone in his hand, fine shoes and dark glasses. He was throwing money around like paper. Women followed him like bees follow honey. Emeka could not believe his eyes. Kelechi, is this you? He asked. Kelechi laughed. My brother, life has changed for me. They went to drink together. Kelechi paid for everything. Emeka asked, how did you make all this money? Kelechi looked around and lowered his voice. My brother, I joined a group, a powerful group. They help people get rich fast. Emeka's heart jumped. That night, he could not sleep. He remembered how people mocked him. He remembered Ifunaya's words. He remembered his empty room, and he wanted to be rich fast. After some days, Kelechi took him to a dark place outside town. There was a small building inside the forest. Red candles were burning. Men in black robes stood in a circle. Kelechi said, this is the way to power. Emeka was afraid, but his hunger for money was stronger. They told him, riches come with a price. But Emeka did not listen. He only saw the big cars, the big houses, the fine women. He joined the court. Soon, money started coming. People who once laughed at him now greeted him with respect. Ifunaya started calling him, but the group was not done with him. One night, they gave him a tax, a dark tax, a tax that involved blood. Emeka shook. I can do this, he said. They replied, you wanted power. Now pay the price. Fear entered his heart. He ran, but no one runs from such group. 2 days later, they found his body near the shrine, cold, silent, gone. Not long after, Kelechi also died in a strange accident. People said his cup was full. Lessons from Emeka's story. Be patient. Your time will come. Not every success is real success. Some riches come with tears. Do not let pressure push you into evil. Hunger for quick money can lead to early death. Never compare your life with others. Some people shine today and disappear tomorrow. Be grateful for what you have. Small steps are better than bloody shortcuts. Stay hopeful and clean. Honest work may be slow, but it brings peace and long life. Emeka wanted to rise fast. but he forgot that slow progress is better than a fast fall. May his story remind us all. Wait for your time.